So hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Divine Grace Corsio and I am an entrepreneur and coach of Filipino virtual assistants. So today, this is a very special day because I invited one of the coaches of Filipino virtual assistants where she will teach us something today that will help you also to add to your skills as a freelancer. So yeah, so our guest today in my channel, who is the coach of freelancing course in Filipino virtual assistants, and she is also founder of Canva Hacks. Okay, so first of all, what is Canva? So Canva is a graphic design platform that allows user to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and other visual content. So users can choose from many professional designs, templates, and you can edit and create designs and upload own photos that you can create, good graphic designs in this platform or tools. So yes, so let's, wag na natin patagalin, no? So we have our guest right now, Coach Rizelle. Hi, Coach.
Hi, Coach Divine. Thank you. Hi, everyone. Thank you for guesting me here in your channel. Um, just introducing a little bit myself is, as I said, I'm freelancing course coach for FBA. As a freelancer, my expertise is really on social media content creation and graphic design. So I'm also one of the Canva certified creatives who share tips, tricks, hacks about Canva. So I will share some in this video, and it's all about t-shirt. Okay, so it's really my pleasure to guest with you and to collab with you, Coach Divine, and our topic. So let's go on to our topic, which is how you will design a t-shirt using Canva. Okay, so we all know that the next big time holiday for today is Halloween. So we will be creating a sample of Halloween t-shirt, but before that, let me give you some tips. The very first tip is doing research. Okay, so you will have inspiration or ideas. What will you put on your design, or what specifically people looking for on a particular theme like Halloween, and then we will create T-shirt for you. Okay, so what are the platforms that you can look on in order, or you can research on? Okay, one is Etsy, second is Pinterest. You can also search to other competitors that you have, like if your business is in the Amazon, eBay, or if you are in the Philippines, maybe Lazada or Shopee, you can do that as well. You just need to research it, okay? So in this segment or in this video, I will just go with the Etsy. So let me share my screen. So let's go to Etsy.com. And then let's search for Halloween t-shirt. Okay. Hello. So there you go. So you can see different design of the Halloween. Most are the pumpkin, smile, and so on. You can see how many have purchased those designs. So maybe this tagline will work uh, on your business, maybe, and then you just need to tweak some, maybe the one style or the elements that you have in the t-shirt. So you can have this because it's purchased 9,000 plus, then this one is 5,000, and so on. So we can have those, okay? So after you do your research, so you have inspiration already, Maybe we can go to the Canva dashboard. So let's go to the Canva dashboard. So this is your Canva dashboard. You just need to search t-shirt. So you will have the template. Actually, they have already suggestions in different things. Oh, they have Halloween t-shirt already, okay? So you can just click that so you have ideas as well or something that you can use, okay? They have design already for Halloween, okay? But I want to start in the blank, so you can just click the blank document. And another tip to you, which I have it already here, is what are the fonts that you can usually use in designing Abyss, Kawit, Dangwa, Waterly, Ragsa, Barish, Tito, Chiwi, Lake Gothic, Antonio Bold, and Lata Bold. So those are the fonts that you can use. And then that you can use on your t-shirt. And then if you will go to the elements, you can use different elements for Halloween. And I have the keyword for you, which is my third tip. Those are the keywords that you can use. Just type here, Halloween. So they have different suggestions or elements that will pop out, for example. Okay. Halloween, ghost, cookie. So those are the keywords that you can use while you're searching an element to include on your t-shirt site, as well as in the photos, you can do that. Okay. So those are the samples that you can use on your design. Okay, but I will have photos, the real photos in my design. Actually, I have it already earlier, which this one, which I will teach you to how to do this. So maybe we can just create another page because I'm in the t-shirt design template already, but you can have this one if you want to. Okay, and then I will use black because I want the t-shirt as black. And then you can just search pumpkin here, something like that. Okay. But I will use the one that I recently used. So we came up with this. And this is this one. So how you will remove the background, okay, to have like this. So just need to click the photos that you want to remove and then click effects and then background remover. As you can see, there is a new, if you have Pro, actually this is only for Pro account of Canva. If you're using free, you can have other or third-party apps by removing the background of your picture, but you need to download the picture that you will, what they call that you will be needing in order to remove the background. Maybe you can have background. Let's see, there's remover, okay. Oh, sorry. So there is a lot of remove background apps that you can use. Then you just need to upload it again here. But for now, I will using this one because I have Canva Pro account. As you can see, there's erase or restore. So you can just click erase if you want to erase some element like this in the back, in your photo. Okay, just need to erase that. You can also restore if you want. Just click this one and then they will restore. But I will just undo it because I don't need that on my photo. You can see the original as like this. Just check the check box and then click done. Okay, so I have this one, as you can see, this one, and then just make it big as it. Okay, I'm sorry, like this. Maybe I can center it. And then what I use here is the water lily font. So you need to add text. This is, and then go to water lily. Actually, the tagline that I use is I also search that. You can also search taglines, Halloween taglines, so you have some ideas what to put on your t-shirt. So I will choose, so I will just copy this one. Here, okay? Make it big. And then you can capitalize it all by clicking this one. And then how I came up with this effect, you just need to click effect on your text, and then I go to the echo and click orange, or maybe I can have okay, okay, just make it big. Like this. And another one is the one that I use is the first. So add text again. And then happy Halloween. Let's go for G. Just capitalize it. That is fine. It's up to you. There you go. Okay. So that's how you can create a t-shirt design. Actually, not just the Halloween t-shirt, but can be also in other teams. So I forgot to tell that another tip for Halloween is the colors that you can use is maybe a shade of green, orange, purple, and red. You can also have yellow. It's really depends on what you will be using or what you have in your design. Okay. Actually, Canva have suggestion. If you have a photos on your design, you can see that Canva will have a suggestion color. By clicking the colors, there you go, that you can use on your fonts, so it will relate on each other. So you can have this already. As you can see, you can change that.
So coach, that is the color that you can use in the background or in the t-shirt. So like that. Is that correct?
Yes.
Or okay.
Yes, that's correct. So I think that's it for this video, for this tutorial. To know more about my tips, tricks, hacks about Canva, you can visit my Canva Hacks YouTube channel or join my Canva Hacks community in Facebook group. We have a lot of tips there, and you just need to follow and subscribe, okay?
Actually, that's very nice, coach, because I've been using for years the Canva, but I really don't know that you can remove background, from photo to remove the background inside. So that's why I learned something today. So that's good that I invited someone that is really expert in that in that tool, the Canva. So thank you very much for sharing that to us, and especially right now, yeah, Halloween is coming, and POD or print on demand are very in demand also right now, because there are like merch on Amazon, Teespring, Redbubble. Those are the, those are the platforms that you can use, and sell your design that without any, you know, a lot of work, because they are the one you just put your design on there, and then those platforms are the one who going to to print print your design, do the customer service. The only thing, or the only job that you're going to do is to make a design and put it in those platforms. So that's why thank you very much for sharing that skills, that for sure the my viewers will add to their expertise right now. Okay, so
Thank
yeah,
you so
so
much.
yes, thank you
Thank
also. Okay, so I hope everyone, if you think that this is a valuable content, please click the like button. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell, so you will be notified every time I have a new videos, tutorials, and tips about e-commerce and freelancing virtual assistant. So thank you. And if you want to, to know or to check the YouTube channel of Coach Rizelle, I have it in my description box. So check it there, and for sure you will learn more a lot about Canva. Okay. So thank you, everyone, and God bless.
Bye.